Okay, yes, hello. Good morning, Grace. Good morning to everyone. So this is Teacher Raynel. So let's just discuss things which we have discussed last time, yung Avogadro's number. Okay, Avogadro's number is amounting to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power. Actually, this is the scientific notation of 602 hexillion. So that's a big number, no? That's 602 followed by 21 zeros. So, nung ginawa natin scientific notation, naging ganito na siya. Alright, so later on, we're going to uh, have an idea kung para saan ba ito ginagamit itong Avogadro's number. So, ito po si Amadeo Avogadro. He's the one who theorized this idea and it was later proven by Stanislao Canizaro around 1750s. Ito yung tsura niya. So, he's thinking of Na. Na here means number of atoms. So, saan ba ito ginagamit ng mga scientists? Alright. Again, guys, kapag medyo mabilis yung salita ko at may importante kayong susulat, feel free to pause the video. Alright. First off ay sa pag-calculate ng number of atoms. Okay. Pangalawa ay pag-calculate ng number of molecules. Kung ilang molecules na doon sa isang sa particular grams na yon, and ions or electrons. Alam naman natin that ions are also electrons. Nga lang, yung ions have positive and negative charge. Pwedeng cation or anion. Alright, so let's dive in para mabilis tayo. Use Avogadro's constant to calculate the following. So, dito muna yung number of atoms. Parang review uli, no? So, let's have this question. How many boron atoms are there in 2.00 grams of boron? So, last time we don't have any formula, but today I'm going to give you a formula, which is the number of atoms is equals to mass over molar mass times Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power. Okay? If you want to copy the formula, please pause the video and copy it right now. But for me, I'm going to continue na. So, first off, saan ba mapupunta yung given na to? Para saan ba to? Yung mass na to, this will be the 2.00 grams. Ayun yon. Yung molar mass, makikita nyo yun sa inyong periodic table. Hanapin nyo ang atomic weight ng boron. Atomic weight is also the molar mass of that element. So, ilang ang gagawin nyo. Pag na-plug in nyo na like this, ayan, 2.00 grams at saka 10.81. Okay, na-plug in na natin at saka natin i-multiply dito sa Avogadro's number. Let me just pull out my calculator here. Alright, unahin ko muna yung check ko lang kung tama, So we have 2.00 divided by 10.81. 10.81. Alright, so pag in-equals ko yan, ito yung mahabang number yung lalabas. But for this video presentation, I'll just consider yung 0.8501. Okay, makikita niyo may ellipses doon. So, means to say, may marami pang number dito. Please do not round off, do not change anything until your final answer. So, sasabihin ko kung ano yung magiging final answer. So, this will be true even to our mastery test. This coming Thursday, I think, will be the mastery test for second mastery test for science. Alright, so, after nyan, imumultiply natin yan kay Avogadro's constant. Alright, so I'll just hit the multiplication. Alright, so plug in na-multiply ko na by 6.02. Ilang gagawin natin? 6.02. Later na lang natin to i-deal. So, equals, alright, so lumabas is 1.1137 at chuchuchu at napakahaba pang number. Okay, kita nyo naman yan sa video. So, just consider itong 11 o 1.11. So since scientific notation written na siya, kaya hindi magbabago yung 23. Alright, so times, lalagay nyo lang times 10 to the 23rd power. Okay, so ang i-consider ko lang ay 3 significant place or figure. 3 significant figure. Alright, so pag sinabing 3, 3 numbers lang makikita natin, significant figures. So, yung whole number and after the decimal, 2 numbers naman. Ngayon, nagkataon 3 ito, pero kung ito ay naging 5, 6, 7, 8, magiging 12 yan. Hindi yan 11. Okay, since 3 yan, kaya hindi magbabago yung 1.11. So, yun ang ilalagay natin. And then, huwag nyo kakalimutan yung number of yung unit na atoms because we are actually finding how many boron atoms. So, ganito karami yung boron atom yan. So, that's around 111 hexillion. Alright? So, yun ang ibig sabihin yan. Alright. So, let's move on. But this time, alright, kayo naman. You can pause the video later. Okay? The question goes like this. Calculate the number of atoms in 8.0 grams of aluminum. So, this is aluminum naman, ano? So, again, plug in the mass, which is 81.0, and the molar mass. Get your periodic table, find the atomic weight. That will be your molar mass. And later on, after getting the quotient, multiply it to Avogadro's constant. All right. So, at this point, all right, kayo na dapat yung gumawa. So, pause the video and then after siguro mga ilang minutes, you continue now. All right. So, this is the number na pala. Kung naklik ko kaagad, pakibalikan. Ano, tago nyo kaagad yung number. Anyway, so naklik nyo na naman. So, let's do it. Alright, so let me just pull again my calculator here. So, let me just check if tama yung computation ko. So, 81 divided by, di ko nalagyan ng 0.0 kasi whole number na lang yung 0. Divided by 27. And that will give me 3. So, 3 ngayon. And then multiply to Avogadro's number times 6.02. That will give me 18.06. Alright. So, yan na yan. Ano? 18.06. So, sabi nga natin 3 significant figures. So, dapat yan ay magiging 1.81. Hence, tignan nyo, yung 23 naging 24. Kasi nag-move tayo ng 1 decimal place. Kaya, kasi scientific notation nga eh. From the original position of decimal to the left, mag-a-add yung ating exponent ng 1. So, that is 1.81 times 10 to the 24th power atoms. So, ganyan karaming atoms yung nandiyan. Okay, just before we continue and discuss other things, balikan natin yung kaninang slide natin kanina. Saan ba natin ginagamit si Avogadro? Alright, so basically, ayan, sa tatlong ito. So mamaya di-discuss natin yung number of atoms, ay number of molecules later. But actually, na-discuss na natin yan eh, no? Pero ililinawin lang natin. But before that, I want you to answer your PDF muna. This will be an entrance ticket para malaman natin kung alam nyo na yung number of atoms. Okay? So, I will just ask you to play na lang yung second part ng video natin. Okay? So, take muna yung PDF ninyo. Okay? Thank you. See you later on our next video.